Hello students, welcome in Westfield Junior College and Mokashi Eduke Rajmachi Karad. I am Professor Komal Bise from Department of IT. Now I am going to give you some information about the subject IT means information technology. If you admitted in the 11th science, then you have opportunity to take IT subject in your academics. So let's see what is mean by IT. So IT means information technology, and IT consists of the technologies that we use in order to create, collect, process, protect and store the information. IT consists of different type of concepts like hardware, softwares. Software means computer programs and computer networks. So here is the some basic part which are included in the IT like database, hardware, internet, security, communications, computers. So these are the basic concepts are comes into the IT. So there are various career opportunities are available in IT profession. They are vary from the operator to specialized skill programmers. So some of the career opportunities like web designer and developer. So you can develop interactive website by using the knowledge of various programming languages like the basic languages like HTML, PHP, etc. Then next one is the software developers. It is possible to have a career as a software developer with the knowledge of the scripting skills or the scripting languages. The database manager, after getting knowledge about the database management, so you can work as a database manager with the help of different type of database skills like SQL, Microsoft Access, etc. Then professional accountant, by using computerized accounting software or different type of softwares, you can successfully handle accounting work of any small or large scale organization. Then financial advisors, after getting IT knowledge, you can advise and guide others in investing the money in various investment schemes with their calculations and benefits in future. Then cyber advisor, anyone can choose their career or develop his or her career as a cyber developer or cyber advisor. Then animator, this is the most demanding career and it is possible to become a successful animator by using your own creation and innovation with the help of different type of softwares. And the games developer, this is the one of the trendiest and most fun job in the sector of IT, games developer. So next is the IT syllabus for the 11th standard topics. The first one is the basic of information technology. It consists of all the basic concepts of IT like definition of IT, what is the part of IT, its components, networking, etc. Then the second one is the introduction to DBMS. It consists of various concepts of DBMS means databases like what is data, how to store the data into the databases. Different type of concepts are comes into the DBMS. Then impressive web designing. This topic covers all the concepts of programming languages like HTML and CSS. CSS means client side scripting language and HTML means hypertext markup language. And by using those languages you can create simple web pages. And after creating simple web pages you can also create the websites. And the last one is the cyber law. This topic covers all the concepts which is related to cyber crime, cyber security and security. So these are the theory topics which comes in the 11th standard topics of IT. Like the theory topics, let's introduce the practicals which is comes in the 11th standard topics, which is skill oriented practicals. In 11th and 12th standard we learn Ubuntu operating system. So here is the first practical. Depending upon the Ubuntu operating system, which is daily computing LibreOffice. This LibreOffice is a similar to the Microsoft Word, which comes under the Microsoft operating system. Then web designing, this is the HTML programming practical. Then client side scripting, this consists of the JavaScript practical and the DBMS means database management system. This practical consists of all the concepts which is related to the databases. So this is practical syllabus for the 11th standard. Next is the marks evaluation for the IT subject for 11th and 12th standard. So IT subjects having total 100 marks for the one paper. Out of the 100, 80 marks for the theory exam, which is online based MCQ type theory exam, and 20 marks for the practical exam. And the same pattern of marks evaluation is follow for the 12th standard IT subject. So this is the overall introduction about the 11th and 12th standard IT subject. Thank you.